Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this is a Stihl HS45 that come in for a blades weren't moving backwards and forwards, and I thought, he said he'd hit something and it stopped working after that. I thought, yeah, no problem. Take the cover off and one of the blades would have popped off. Not this time. Something completely different. Now in other videos I've taken the blades out and assembled bits and pieces here, but on this one here you can see the drive cog's actually gone. Now unlike the other ones, the blade fits one side of the cog and the blade fits the other side of the cog, so it makes a cog sandwich as such. And the reason why I was able to get this out is because the customer succeeded in breaking this off, and this is what a used one looks like. You can see it's supposed to have the shaft here. He actually succeeded in snapping the shaft off whenever he hit whatever he hit with the blades. So what I've got to do is I've got to take the top blade off, put that in, put that blade back on, grease it all up, and then put it back together again. But on these HS45s, there's a little lever on the side, and you pull it out and it locks the clutch. You can't turn that. Alright, and it stops the blades from going backwards and forwards. Push it in, and then this now rotates, allowing the blades to move. It's a safety feature which they've removed off other machinery, and I'll be honest with you, it is a bit superfluous, but it's just one of these little quirk things I thought I'd just show you. So anyway, I'm going to get on with this, and I'll catch you later. Now I've packed this with grease, and instead of me actually having to take all the blades off, all I've got to do is undo that bolt and that bolt, and there's enough flex to drop the cog in without having to remove the rest of the blade. So it's a fairly simple and easy job to replace that in some respects. A new one is about £35, but lucky enough I've got a scrap one over there. So let's put the cover on the top and get it up and running and get these blades moving. Okay, let's give it a start up. I've lubricated the blades extra, but that's the job done. So there you are folks, that's another hedge trimmer job done. So I hope you find it helpful, and take care, and be careful when you're using hedge trimmers and hitting things, because it can cause more than just a blade to be popped off. Take care, and see you next video. Bye.